If you're out exploring in your four-wheel drive, someday you're going to get stuck. Let me introduce you to the CAOS recovery dampener. So you might be asking yourself, what is a recovery dampener? A recovery dampener is designed to reduce the amount of backlash in the event of a recovery failure. So this is absolutely essential in winching and snatching situations. Let's get into some of the features. It's made of 100% cotton canvas with a polyurethane coating. You'll notice it's double-sided. One side's black, the other side's high-vis orange, with these heavy-duty buckles and straps. So the idea of these is it will buckle over your recovery rope and your snatch strap and keep everything secure. So another additional feature of these large reinforced pockets, which allow you to add additional weight if you choose to. So something else I've thought of is this highly reflective strip on all sides, which means if you're using it in night recovery, it's easily seen. CAOS is so confident in this product, they've backed it with a lifetime warranty. And if you want to find out more about the CAOS recovery range, go to caos.com.au.